Hi there, I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and for the past 7 years, I've been helping older adults stay active, strong, and independent. Today, I want to talk to you about something that might surprise you. Your legs often show signs of aging before anywhere else, but it's not just normal aging. If your legs feel weak, heavy, or cramp at night, I promise you there's hope. And today, I'll share 6 everyday fruits that could help your legs stay strong, reduce cramps, and improve your mobility, backed by science and real-life results. Before we dive in, quick question. Have your legs ever given out when you needed them most? Type 1 in the comments if yes, or 0 if not. I genuinely want to hear your stories because here at Health 365, we read every single comment. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss simple science-backed tips that could make a huge difference in your daily life. You might have heard people say leg cramps and weakness are just part of getting old. Here's the truth. They're not inevitable. Research shows over 60% of adults over 65 experience muscle cramps or leg weakness, but many could prevent it with simple dietary changes, starting with the fruits in your kitchen. I've seen it in my practice. Seniors who struggled with leg cramps, fatigue, or that heavy calf feeling often discover relief simply by adjusting their diet. It's not magic, it's biology. Weak legs are often tied to electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, and micronutrient deficiencies. Night cramps are frequently triggered by low potassium, magnesium, or vitamin B6. And circulation issues? Certain nutrients actually support blood flow and protect nerves, helping your legs move freely again. Today, we'll cover 6 fruits that do all of this naturally, and I'll give you practical tips on how to include them in your routine. 1. Jackfruit, nature's muscle protector. You may think jackfruit is just a sweet tropical snack, but it's a potassium powerhouse. Potassium balances electrolytes, keeping muscles from contracting too tightly. Harvard researchers found diets high in potassium reduce muscle cramps and weakness by up to 40% in older adults. Real-life example, Robert, 68, from Texas, struggled with nighttime calf cramps. His potassium levels were low. Instead of supplements alone, he added jackfruit to his weekly diet, fresh, frozen, or dried. Within weeks, he noticed fewer cramps and more energy during his walks. His wife joked he moved like a man 10 years younger. Jackfruit also contains vitamin B6, supporting nerve-to-muscle communication, and fiber, which improves circulation. Practical tip, eat fresh jackfruit when in season, frozen or canned in water otherwise. Add to smoothies, fruit salads, or lightly bake as a side dish. Consistency matters. A few servings per week can rebuild strength gradually. 2. Plums. Small fruit, big impact. Plums are loaded with potassium just like jackfruit, but they work quickly to regulate muscle contractions. The Mayo Clinic reports adequate potassium intake reduces nighttime cramps in seniors by 35%. Real-life example, Janet, 71, loved gardening, but her calves cramped after just 30 minutes. Her doctor found low potassium levels. Eating 2 plums every afternoon replaced her sugary snacks, and within a month, she could garden longer without cramps. Bonus, her blood pressure improved too. Plums are also rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that protect blood vessels, improve circulation, and help maintain strong bones. Practical tip, enjoy fresh plums in season or slice them into breakfast cereal. Incorporate into smoothies or afternoon snacks. 3rd, cantaloupe, hydration and strength. Summer heat can make legs feel heavy and cramp more often, largely due to dehydration. Cantaloupe is 90% water, providing natural hydration plus potassium and vitamin A. Real-life example, George, 73, from Arizona, felt his legs drag during summer walks. Adding a bowl of chilled cantaloupe each afternoon improved hydration, reduced cramps, and even helped him sleep better at night. Practical tip, keep cubed cantaloupe in the fridge for a quick snack. Blend into smoothies or pair with berries for a refreshing summer salad. 4. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink. Coconut water contains potassium, magnesium, and sodium, perfect for restoring electrolyte balance after light activity. It helps muscles relax properly, preventing painful spasms. Real-life example, many older adults report instant leg relief after drinking coconut water post-exercise without added sugars of commercial sports drinks. Practical tip, drink a cup after walking or gardening. Mix with a splash of fruit juice or freeze into ice cubes for smoothies. 5. Avocado, creamy circulation booster. Avocados are rich in potassium and magnesium, supporting smooth muscle contractions and blood circulation. They also provide healthy fats to help preserve muscle mass as we age. Real-life example, Linda, 69, loved line dancing, but her calves often tightened. Adding half an avocado 3 times a week to breakfast helped her dance longer without discomfort, feeling stronger and more confident. Practical tip: spread on whole grain toast, add to salads, or blend into smoothies. Regular intake a few times per week improves leg comfort over time. 6. Bananas. Classic anti-cramp fruit. Bananas are simple but highly effective, providing potassium and vitamin B6 for proper muscle contraction and nerve communication. Real-life example, Frank, 72, enjoyed fishing, but leg cramps shortened his trips. Eating a banana before heading out reduced cramps and increased endurance, giving him confidence to enjoy his hobby longer. Practical tip: slice into cereal, blend in smoothies, or enjoy as a snack. Free slices for a creamy dessert alternative. Even the best fruits aren't enough without daily habits to support leg strength. Movement. Strengthen leg muscles through squats, lunges, and sit-to-stand exercises. Balance and flexibility work, like Tai Chi or standing on one foot, reduces fall risk. Low-impact cardio, walking, swimming, cycling, keeps muscles active and bones strong. Nutrition, aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Include calcium, vitamin D, and anti-inflammatory foods. Consider omega-3 fatty acids from fish or supplements to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Rest sleep 7 to 9 hours per night to allow muscle repair and growth. Growth hormone released during sleep stimulates muscle regeneration and bone formation. Hydration, drink consistently throughout the day. Muscles are 70% water. Hydration improves joint lubrication, prevents cramps, and supports circulation. Avoid prolonged sitting, stand or move every 30 to 60 minutes. Simple activities like heel raises, short walks, or seated leg lifts keep muscles active. I know many men worry that leg weakness or cramps signal the end of independence. But here's the truth. Age is not a sentence to frailty. Even small, consistent changes like adding a few servings of potassium-rich fruits, prioritizing protein, and staying hydrated can restore strength, confidence, and freedom. Imagine climbing stairs without hesitation, walking longer, and enjoying hobbies again. These aren't dreams, they're achievable. So today, I challenge you to start one small change immediately. Add a serving of jackfruit, a banana, or a handful of plums to your day. Stand up now if you've been sitting, take a short walk, and feel your legs wake up. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It helps us share more life-changing tips. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from or what fruit you'll try first. And of course, subscribe to Health 365 so you never miss another tip to keep your body strong, confident, and independent. Remember, your legs can stay powerful for years to come. Every step, every healthy choice, every mindful habit adds up. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Dr. Nora Hayes.